Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back again with another video. Now this video is all about my clothes that I am putting in this month, my Shop Chrissy store. So if you dolls don't already know, I did mention I'm going to try to do this once a month where I basically come on here, share with you dolls some of the items that I'm just not feeling right now, some items that may be too small, that may be too big, they may not fit me like I thought they would fit in my head. I know I'm not the only one that goes through that, right? Listen, I'm gonna put these items in the store. You're gonna have things as low as $5, but this sale, I partner with Poshmark, so I'm going to be doing it all on Poshmark, and I'm gonna make this my jeans and things haul, okay? So again, if you want to see what it is that I have in my Shop Chrissy store this month, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so again, y'all, you already know I'm always shopping. I get a lot of clothes for hauls, and you know, this is my job. This is what I do. So even though I pick these clothes out, sometimes they don't fit well. Sometimes I'm just not super in love with it when I put it on. So the good news is I don't want to waste it. I don't want to send it back. Like, I don't like going through that hassle, so this works out for you, okay? So I'm using the Poshmark app. If you don't know what that is, it is a free app you can download. I'll put a code down below in the box, but basically you go on there and you just post items to sell. It's super easy. You don't have to code anything. You don't have to make up a web page, a blog, or anything. So that's why I use it. Also, you get a shipping label and the tracking's built in. So listen, your girl got almost a 5-star rating, okay? Like, your girl is working for her rating. So I'm gonna get a little bit better on my shipping, but I'm gonna get you dolls anything that you buy. So again, check out my store. Leave your story down below because I like to browse. So let's just get into the items, okay? Because I have a couple of things I'm gonna put on there that you may not even see in this video, but these are like some of the highlight items because these are the ones I've been holding on to, but honey, I'm not gonna wear them. So why hold on to them? Like, I'm really not gonna wear them, okay? So here we go. This was one of my faves that I wore. This is a shirt, but it's denim. So remember, this video is all about jeans and things, okay? So this is a jean top. It comes off the shoulder. It's all black. It's really kind of comfortable because it has like a stretch to it, and you already know if you're curvy, if you're plus size, if you're thick, we love stretch, okay? So this is one of the items. It's a long sleeve denim shirt. Next, we have these jeans. Now, I love these jeans when I wore them because they really make your booty pop. They're very stretchy, very comfortable. They're high waist. And this red is really cute because, you know, we can kill banging behind lipstick, you know, like a Ruby Woo or like a Stunner. Like, we can do that, okay? So long story short is these are skinny jeans. They are pretty long. They are a size, I want to say 1X. This company was really good with the sizing. So I would say true to size. I'll put my measurements down in the box so you guys can get a feel for it. But they do have that round pocket, and that's another detail that I really love in jeans, when you have like that round kind of pocket, because it really gives you that heart-shaped booty. Next, I have this. Now this skirt is a skirt you saw me wear, and it's so cute, but when I got it, I did not realize that Zaful, this is where it's from, it got tags and everything, honey. It's true to size. Sometimes when you order from sites that are like across seas, it's not true to size. So that really surprised me. And this particular outfit, these buttons come all the way undone, so you can be a little sexy thing and unbutton it some if you want, or keep it like this. It looks like that old school skirt. You know what I'm saying? Like, back in the day we had skirts, but this is an actual skirt. If you don't know what a skirt is, somebody please comment down below. Let me know I'm not telling my age, okay? So this again is a skirt, and in the back you also have some pockets which are actually functional. So there's so many good things about these items. That's why I picked them out, but y'all, I'm just not gonna wear them, so take them off my hands. Please, please take them off my hands. Okay, now I really can't believe I'm about to do this. Like, I can't believe I'm about to put this up on the site because I don't want to. It was new with tags, like the tag just fell off, so it's whatever. This is gonna be priced decent. Now, some people will be like, oh girl, you get this stuff for free. Okay, I get it, but you do realize this is my job, right? I got paid one time maybe for that video, and even though you're getting clothes, you can't pay your bills with clothes. You know what I'm saying? So it's okay to me when I wear them, and I love my items that I pick out. That's why I get them. But please respect that I'm going to get a coin for these items, because if you were going to go to the store to buy them yourself, you're going to give a coin. So can you give me a little love? Can you give me a little support, please? And to be honest, the prices are super duper fair, okay? But anyways, this bag is giving me all kinds of Chanel vibes, and I'm a big person of manifestation, and I don't really like do knockoffs. So when I saw this bag, I wanted it. I got it. It's so well made, y'all. Like, look at these chains. These chains are heavy. You can wear it like this, or you can bring the chain down and wear it like that, or like a crossbody. I love the piping on the front. Oh my gosh, the piping is beautiful. Like, it's this thick leather, like it's actual leather. And then it still has, you have the inside where it's like a flap. So this is giving me the Chanel bag, and it has little compartments, has a little zipper. This is part of the capsule collection of the store I got it from, and it's like an everyday bag. But the reason I'm getting rid of it is because I think it's too big for me. I have been rocking bags that are probably a third, or if not half of the size. So between a third and a half of this bag size. And it's just too big for me. It's kind of heavy just holding it, and there's nothing in here. So yeah, this is something I really don't want to get rid of. And I have a couple of more accessories you're gonna see as well. Be mindful that if you go on right now, check my closet, it may not have everything, but I upload almost daily. So even though I do these videos monthly to kind of showcase everything, you need to be checking back every time you get paid, honey. You know why? Because I'm always adding items. These are some jeans that I'm putting on there. These jeans are super duper stretchy. These jeans are a 2X, and I got a 2X because sometimes when you're ordering jeans online, they run small. These ones actually run true to size, so they're too big for me. Gonna go ahead and let them go. I planned on getting them altered, but y'all, like I said, stuff will just sit in my closet, and I don't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to let go. I need to breathe and let go. So that's what I'm gonna do. So anyways, this is like a lace detail all the way down to the bottom, and it is a skinny leg, but if you're like thicker, it'll be a skinny leg. But if you have like a smaller leg like I do, or if it's too big like it was for me, it kind of just looked like a straight leg. But this is, again, really stretchy, and going all the way down, it does have the opening, so you actually showing meat, girl. Like, you showing thighs, but it's done tightly, so it's not like any of those pants you may have seen on social media where your whole skin is out. It's not that kind of vibe. It is lined towards the top, kind of like shorts. There's no shorts in here, but it's like lined down, like, so it's not showing any of your intimate areas. And again, I have so many more items that you may not see here right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and add them into my store. But this is one of them. Again, new with tags. Really sad. I wanted to wear these, but I just never got around to it. I'm being real extra right now, but y'all, I really don't want to, but I'm trying to grow. You know what I'm saying? So this right here, again, those round pockets, one of my faves, because they make your booty pop, and they just make your booty look like a heart. Like, it looks really good on. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and, when I'm doing this video, I'm gonna show y'all some of the videos of me wearing these jeans. But I absolutely love these jeans. They are so stretchy. I was gonna actually, and I kind of, now that I'm doing this, look, I'm trying to talk myself into, girl, don't let them go. Because I had 2 pairs of jeans like this where they were too baggy on my ankle, because I have skinny ankles, and I end up cutting them as high-waisted shorts, and they make your booty look good. So I love that, because I would wear a shirt like this and maybe like tie it, like knot it right here. So it's like this kind of denim. I got this colored denim where it's like, I don't know, it's not like regular denim, it's like straight. You see, I can't describe this type of denim. It's like a medium type of denim. But anyways, I kind of don't want to let it go, so I'm gonna give y'all a week. You have a week to buy this, because this might end up back in my closet. We'll see. Okay, Diva Dolls, so that is it. Again, be sure to click the link down below in the box. It is free to download Poshmark. When you download it, use my code Chrissy the Doll. That will get you some coins off because, honey, you know I'm always trying to save you $1. If you have a closet already, can you put the link down below because I want to check yours out. Maybe there's something that we can swap for, because on this app you can swap. On this app, if you didn't like my price for something, you can offer me something back. I'm trying to get rid of this stuff. What I usually don't get rid of, I do donate. So listen, if you want it, you better grab it because these things go fast, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to share this video with a friend if you know someone who may like these items, and please, girlfriend, if you don't already subscribe to this channel, it's free. What are you doing? Go ahead and bless your girl because I am on my way to 100K and I am super excited about that. So if you don't also follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, it's at Chrissy the Doll. Go ahead and do that as well so that you can catch me in my looks, and I'll answer questions there about fitting, sizes. So again, I am super excited about doing this once a month. I love that it's helping me declutter my life, and it also helps you dolls get a little bit of glam in your closet and a little bit of Chrissy in your closet. So yeah. Let me know if you like this kind of video. Leave a comment down below. But besides that, I want to thank you dolls all so much for your support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.